This video is going to show how to uh, send out multiple quotes for the same uh, purchase. And so we're going to request quotes from different vendors very simply and very easily. So we're going to jump into our purchase app and we can go to our purchase agreement. So we're going to create a call for tenders. What the call for tenders does is basically creates a template for the order, so that way you can just create the quote for the vendor without having to add in the line items again. So we can specify the deadline we want to know by the 19th, and we're going to want to order by, say, the 19th as well, and we're going to need the delivery for next Friday. And so I could select a specific vendor, or I can also select multiple vendors. So, for example, let me add in our product first. I'll add in, say we want a quantity of 10 at a unit price of 20. That is what we're looking to get. I can then confirm this call for tenders, and now I can easily create my quotations from here. I can add in their information. I can specify my document of my drawing. So I'm going to do my wallet. This is just a random PDF I have on my desktop that I can upload, and it is now inside of Odoo, and so I can easily share it from Odoo. And it's a lot like Google Docs or Google Sheets, where they can click on the link and it takes them directly to that document. So from here, we're going to send by email. And once we send by email, we see that the specifications were actually automatically added into our email. And so the customer will be able to click on that link once we send it to them and they receive it. So it shows it here. We could easily click on this and go to our document there. And then from here, we can easily create multiple other quotes. So if we wanted to specify to this company, we can easily do that. We could specify our wallet. And now we can save. And so when we go back to our purchase agreements, we can see the entire list for this order of all the companies we reached out to. And so, say for example, Bed and Breakfast Inc. is going to be able to handle what we're looking for, the 10 units at $20. We can confirm this order. And then when we go back to our tenders, it cancels the rest of them. So it confirms the purchase order and it cancels the other orders that you have open. So that way you're not having to go in manually and cancel the other requests for quotations that you have out. So it makes it extremely simple to handle your purchasing. If we go back into the PO we accepted, we can see that the receipt for the inventory was automatically created for those 10 units, and that we can now go into our inventory app and process that inventory. So we see here we now have the item to process, so our PO6 with the 10 units here. If you have any additional questions, please contact cka@odoo.com.